All right, now we're doing pendulum squats. So with pendulum squats, the key is to make sure you know where you want your feet to be able to target your quads. What you want to do is you want to make sure you're not too far forward, because if you do, you're going to feel a lot of glute hamstrings, or even if you go really far forward, like we had Dave, he was trying to do in the very beginning, he ends up kind of leaning forward, and that's going to put a lot of pressure on your lower back, and you're going to feel a little more in the hamstrings. So again, this is not a good morning, even though you can use it as a good morning type exercise. What we want to do is we want to be a little bit closer, feet a little closer to your body, closer to right underneath your hips, and then you want to be able to really break parallel and then go right back up. Break parallel, right back up. Let's go. You own this weight. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. Finish it. Go with me. Good. Easy, see? It's all in your head. Good job. That's it, see? Good, good. So guys, we did not go to complete failure. Again, he's getting a little lightheaded, not used to this intensity. The last time he felt like this was when he trained with me. When I actually I was doing legs, and then he ended up joining me for my leg session. And let's see how he's doing.
How's it going, guys? Leg day. No worries.